Hi, welcome to Math with Miss V. In this video, we are going to learn multi-digit subtraction. What is multi-digit number? A number that has more than one digit in it. 22, it's a two-digit number that has 2 in a ones place and another 2 in a tens place. 183, it's a three-digit number that has 3 in a ones place, 8 in a tens place, and 1 in a hundreds place. First step, we have to line up these two numbers by number places. Then we are always starting to subtract from the right to the left. First the ones column, then the tens column, then the hundreds column. Okay, the ones column, 3 ones minus 2 ones will be 1 1. 8 tens minus 2 tens will be 6 tens. And 1 minus nothing will be 1, or we just bring down the 1. Okay, so 183 minus 22 will be equal to 161. Let's do another example. 887 minus 253. Again, the same way. First, we will line up these two numbers by number places. Okay, and we will start from the ones place column. 7 minus 3 is 4. 8 minus 5 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 887 minus 253 is equal to 634. Let's try another example. 195 minus 28. Again, let's line up these two numbers. Again, we will start from the ones place column. 5 minus 8. Okay, I can take away 8 from 5 because 5 is smaller than 8. I have to make the 5 bigger to be able to take away 8. What to do? How to do that? We will borrow 110 from the tens place. We will borrow 110 and give to the ones place. Ones place is going to become 1, 10, and 5 together, 15. And tens place going to become 8 tens instead of 9. So we took 1 10 and give to the ones place. So this becomes 1 less 10, and this becomes 10 more, which is 15. Now I can take away 8 from 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 1 minus nothing is 1. Now, I would like to teach you another way, which will be helpful when I will teach you the long division, and it's more clean. Okay, let's try to do the same subtraction. 195 minus 28. Again, I'm gonna line up them by the number places, and again I'm gonna start from the ones place column. 5 minus 8, I can do that. I'm just gonna borrow from the tens place. Ones place is gonna become 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. So let's subtract the tens place. Because there is a borrowing sign on the top of the 9, it's 1 digit less. So 8 minus 2 is 6, and I'll bring down the 1. Let's review what we did here. So 5 minus 8, I can do that. I'm gonna regroup. I'm gonna borrow from the tens place. I'm just putting a borrowing sign on the top of the 9 instead of crossing out and putting 8, which gonna be more clean. And I know that this becomes 15. I don't have to cross out the 5 and put 15 on the top of the 5. So I borrow from the tens place. This becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. Then because there is a borrowing sign on the top of the 9, this is 8 now. 8 minus 2 is 6. And I'll bring down the 1. Let's try one more example to practice it. 452 minus 178. Let's line up these two numbers. Okay, the first method. So 2 minus 8, I can do that. I'm gonna borrow from the tens place. Tens place has 5 tens. I'm gonna take one of the tens and give to the ones place. Ones place gonna become 1 10 and 2 together, 12. Okay, now 12 minus 8, I can do that. 12 minus 8 is 4. I'll go to the next column, which is the tens place. 4 tens minus 7 tens, I can't do that. So the same way, I'm gonna borrow from the next number. This is gonna become 3. This is gonna become 14 instead of 4. 14 minus 7 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. Let's try the second method. The same way, the same numbers. 452 minus 178. 2 minus 8, I can't do that. I'm gonna borrow from the tens place. 12 minus 8 is 4. Now this is 4 because there is a borrowing sign on the top of this number. So 4 minus 7, I can do that. I'm gonna borrow from the next number. This is gonna become 14, not 15, 14, because there is a borrowing sign on the top, you remember? 14 minus 7 is 7. Now look at this number. Is there a borrowing sign on the top? Yes. So it means this is one number less. It's 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 452 minus 178 is equal to 274. And 195 minus 28 is equal to 167. I forgot to put it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.